Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to this yoga session wherein I'll be showing you 10 best yoga practices that you can do to help with your weight loss. Some of them are pranayama practices, but others are yoga sequences that you can do to help you in this weight loss journey. We'll begin with Surya Namaskaras. You can choose to do either the Hatha style or the Ashtanga. This is an effective practice for weight loss. You can begin with doing 6 rounds and then slowly increase the speed as well as number of repetitions. I'll leave a link to a more detailed explanation of Surya Namaskara up here as well as in the description below. So let's begin. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Shavasana, right leg back. Chaturanga. Drop your knees. Normal breathing. Ashtanga. Hold your breath. Completely breathe out as you breathe in. Bhujangasana. Breathe out. Parvatasana. Normal breathing. Shashankasana. Inhale. Shavasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. Breathe in. Utkatasana. Now we'll be doing the Ashtanga style of Surya Namaskaras. Inhale, up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Bend your knees, step back. You can drop your elbows, go down, low plank. From here, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Push your seat back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here, breathe in, breathe out. Bend your knees, step between your palms. Halfway lift, Utkatasana. Parvatasana. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, Sthiti. Now come to standing. Bring your feet as close as you can. Start breathing in, raise your right hand up. When it comes to 90 degree, turn the palm towards the ceiling. Inhale, reach all the way up. Press your right foot into the mat. Reach your fingertips up towards the ceiling. Breathe out and drop to the other side. Inhale, lengthen the right side of your body. As you exhale, try to bring your left fingertips towards the mat. Breathe in, come back up again. Stretch. Step your left leg towards the left side. Reach and stretch. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Drop your hands to the mat. Twist. Reach up. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in again. Triangle. Inhale. Come up. Now we're going to do a combination of Utkatasana with Vakrasana. You can begin again with 3 rounds and then slowly increase to 6, 9, 12. Breathe in. Reach your hands up. Breathe out. Fold forward. Parvatasana. Breathe in. Bend your knees. Raise your right hand up. Chair. Breathe out. Hook your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Stay here. Press your right foot into the mat. Stay focused. Lift left leg back. Step here. Inhale, come up. Vakrasana. Exhale. Again, twist. Press to the earth. Lift and back. Drop your hands down. Straighten. Parvatasana. Sometimes just doing 1 round would be enough if you're a beginner. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale. For the next sequence, you can come to sit in Shashankasana. Hands stretched out, hips towards your heel, forehead towards the mat. Stay here, take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Come onto your knees and palms. Drop your chest towards the mat. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Press your toes. Lift. Drop down. Parvatasana. Again, breathe in. Raise both your heels up. Pull the navel in. Round. like a wave with your body. Come like you're coming to plank. Bend your knees. You're not resting the knees. If you're new, you can always rest. So just hover. Pull your navel in. 2, 1. Drop and sit back. Bhujangasana. For the next sequence, come on to your palms and knees. I'll show you 2 ways of this. For the first one, arch your back. Chin just gaze forward. Breathe out. Just stretch everything. Into Marjariasana-Bitilasana. Back to neutral. Spine. Here, reach your left hand forward. Kick your right leg back. Okay, here, pull that navel in round like we would do our cat stretch. Marjariasana. Again, straighten. Back. 2 and back. If you're absolutely new, this is where you'll do, and you can do about 5 rounds. If you've been into yoga or any other form of physical exercise, here, come on to your palms and feet. Raise both your heels up. Stretching the right leg up towards the ceiling. Bend and bring your heel towards your hip. Pull that navel in. Bringing your knees towards your nose. 1. Up. Again. 2. And up. You can do 5. And then keep increasing from there. Shake your legs out. I'll include a note in the description about how to progress. For the next sequence, come to lie down on your abdomen. Hands stretch forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. Now as you breathe in, look forward. Raise your chest. Don't press your palms, okay? Here, lift your palms up like you're swimming. Like a breaststroke. Reach up. Interlace your fingers. Sarapasana. Breathe out, forward and down. Now bend your knees. With your right, if you can, grab and hold your ankles. Breathe in. Chest comes up. Look forward. Try to kick your legs towards the back wall and then raise up. Stay here, Dhanurasana. People even rock forward and back once you're comfortable. 2 and 1. Drop your hands. You can always knees nice and wide. Rest in Shashankasana. Inhale. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Exhale. Drop your hands down. Now, this is going to help to keep your spine straight. Bend your right knee. Right foot on the outside of your left knee. Left heel beneath your seat or as close as you can keep. Again, maintain a lot of length in your spine. Turn and twist. One option is simply to hug and twist, trying to bring your chest to point towards one side of the room. If this is comfortable, hook your elbow and twist. This is great for your abdominal organs. If this is easy, then eventually you're going to get here. Breathe in completely. Breathe out. You need to just fold forward. So we're going to do Setu Bandhasana and add Parvatasana to it. Here, breathe in. Press your feet. Squeeze your glutes, knees towards your toes. Bringing your chest towards your chin. Gaze up at the ceiling, thighs together. Squeeze and hold. Breathe out. Down. Again, squeeze, press and hold. So you're going to do 5 rounds of this. Once you're done with 5, drop your waist down. If you need to, nice hug here. Drop it down. Again, breath in, squeeze and up. Again, press your left, right leg up. Drop it down. Drop your seat. Hug both your knees again to your chest. Now either hug your right knee or bringing your right foot. If you can hold your right foot, bring it, hold your right foot, straighten your left leg up, chin towards your knee. In 1, if this is too much, you can always rest your head, just hug your knees. See what works for you. To begin, you can just simply hug your knees, and then once you get stronger, you can do this. 3, 2, and 1. Now push your heel towards the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hug both your knees. It's always important to end your yoga session with Shavasana, especially for weight loss, because rest and relaxation is very important when you want to work on losing weight. So you can do up to 3 to 5 minutes, and you can go up to 20 minutes. Depends on how much time you have. Lie down on your back, legs nice and wide. So it's important that you come to your most comfortable position. Simply stay here and focus on your breath. Just breathing in through my nose and out through my nose. If you get distracted, bring your attention back to your breath. So 3 pranayama practices that you can do to help you with weight loss. First is Kapalbhati, both hands in Chin Mudra. Take a deep breath in through your nose, close your eyes, completely breathe out through your nose. This time breathe in through your nose. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Now for the next round, breathe in. The only thing you're going to do is exhaling, pulling your navel back towards your spine. Inhalation becomes automatic. I'll leave a link up here as well as in the description where you can see how to do Kapalbhati in more detail. Okay, sit tall. Inhale. The next practice is Surya Namaskara. So with your ring finger, you're going to close your left nostril, completely breathe out through your right. Closing your eyes, breathe in through your right. And breathe out. Doing 27 rounds of Surya Namaskara 4 times a day is known to help with weight loss. The next one is Surya Bhedana. So again, Nasika Mudra, you're going to breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril, completely breathe out through your left. Thank you for joining me in today's session. I would love to hear about your weight loss journey and if this video was helpful to you in any way. Also, it's very important to remember that nourishing, wholesome food is a partner in this weight loss journey. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video is helpful to someone you know, please share. Namaste.